All right, guys, the delayed credits feature is now enabled. It is 1:25 in the morning on the next day, so any and everybody can come out and participate. And since I will continue to participate in this myself, one of the wallets I'm going to be using this is my gifting wallet, this 81041. And I want to show you guys just in this video, since I'm going to come out, purchase some delayed credits and stuff, just to show you guys a strategy that I'm using for this wallet. So historically, I've used this wallet to gift Bitcoin and play around with all of the automated features and things. So I'm constantly purchasing marketplace credits with this wallet, and I'm doing that particularly because I have the stimulus generator activated. And what I like to do somewhat on every day or two, I'll come out here and check and see if my wallet is listed in the top 10, right? Because what this does, it gives out Bitcoin bonuses each day for the top 10 players, right? So as long as I'm here, I'm pretty satisfied. But once I see my wallet get bumped out, I'll come out and make some more purchases. And essentially, what this does, guys, it increases, since you're receiving Bitcoin, you're able to experience returns like this. So essentially, I paid $15 for $52 in credits, right? Which is constantly converting, and that's a return of like 245%. At one point in time, I had actually maxed out and reached everything, but I stopped purchasing it so frequently, right? Plus, I'm already sitting on a boatload of credits in this wallet, close to $2,500. So, with the introduction of this delayed credits, I am now going to make plays to invest Bitcoin with a lookout. Hey, if I receive more credits, that's great because I'm going to be receiving to the tune of additional 20 percent as opposed to what's currently available in the marketplace, which is 9.5%. Or I'll be receiving in 30 days that Bitcoin back plus an additional 5%. So it's going to be a win-win situation however I do it. So I just wanted to drop this video to make this purchase to show you guys what I'm doing, the strategy I'm using for this particular wallet. And since I'm not gifting Bitcoin anymore, I'm just playing with the Bitcoin that I do have in here. Like I say, I keep between $100 and $1,000 in this wallet. So I'm just going to use um, this, and I'm going to stick with the previous Bitnest play, where in that play we were accepting 0.001 Bitcoin per entry. So I'm going to do an entry of 0.001 Bitcoin for this. Okay. So I'm gonna just head out to delayed credits to make a purchase, and I see that I don't even have, I haven't made enough purchases in the marketplace to purchase 0.001 Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And this is going to benefit me in even more ways, guys, because let's see, all I need is a little bit. So I'm going to cop this entry here, this offer for 9% discount. So number one, I have that. Number two, by making this purchase, what that does as far as the stimulus program is concerned, it bumps me up in that top position. So whenever the Bitcoin payout occurs for the day, I'll get some of that Bitcoin just from this initiative here. And now that also boosts the amount of purchases that I can make in delayed credit. So I'm going to go ahead and now do that 0.001 purchase of delayed credits. We good there? And it's really that easy. Simple and straightforward, guys. With that, like I say, all I got to do is come out here, check, and now that new entry is in, and that payout date should be on the 30th of September. And guys, I am quite impressed with this as well. So, hey, kudos to you guys that want to participate. If you did participate in that Bitnest DCS wallet initiative, you're going to love this because there's no messing up with it. You just come out here and make a purchase, and everything else is on autopilot. You'll either receive 5% in Bitcoin, and what's the current? Either 5% in Bitcoin or 20% in credits. All right. So that's all I got for you in this video. Just wanted to drop it and let you guys know that this thing is now live and ready to play. All right. We'll holler at you guys on the next one. Peace out.